Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to remix a project in Lovable to reuse someone else's project, customize a template, or build your own version from an existing design, this guide will show you exactly how to do it the right way. In Lovable 2026, Remix is different from duplicates. Remixing creates your own independent copy from a shared or public project without affecting the original. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to remix a Lovable project in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common remix questions and issues, like what's the difference between remix and duplicates? Can the original owner see my changes? Why can't I remix some projects? Or does remix include code and assets? Will remix overwrite my existing project? So understand what remix means in Lovable. So remix means create your own editable copy from a shared project. When you remix, you get a new project in your dashboard. The original project stays untouched. You can fully edit design, content, and code. No changes sync back to the original. So remix is ideal for templates, demos, and shared examples. So open Lovable projects you want to remix, for example. Okay, so open the shared Lovable project link, for example this one. Make sure you are logged into your Lovable account. If the project is remixable, you will see a remix button. If it's not, you will not see it. So click the remix button, click remix, confirm the action if prompted. Lovable creates a new project in your dashboard. The new project will usually be named something like project name and between brackets remix. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.